Okay, I want to do a little shop update. As you already know, I have a DME swing arm on my bike with a 4-inch stretch on it. That's pretty much about as far as I'm going to go with it. So my height is 6 feet. I'm 250, 4-inch stretch on it. It changed the geometry of the rear of my motorcycle. The bike doesn't ride, of course, obviously like stock. And it tends to bottom out a little bit more than what I wanted to. What I should have done, I should have changed the spring in it. Got a more appropriate spring, but I didn't. But now is the time I'm doing that. So I decided to get a spring, but I said, you know what? Since I'm getting a spring, I might as well get another shock as well. So I decided to order a Ohlins. With Ohlins rear spring and shock setup. Just arrived today. I ordered it from a company called Andrini USA out of North Carolina. It was a really seamless, easy process. Basically, once you so if you go on the Ohlins website and you see that it says a part is out of stock, from what I was told, that Ohlins only ships to the U.S. every so many months or so. So you have to place an order through a company like Andrini. That's the one. I actually called Ohlins and they recommended this company to me. Really great people to work with. If you're a veteran like I am, you can get a little veterans discount on it. So ordered the Ohlins shock for my 2023 Hayabusa, which is basically the same spec number or model stock number or model number as the previous Busas. This is just the invoice for it. I opened it up already just to see what it was like, just to see it, because what I'm going to do is just take it out real quick. See, I previously opened it up, make sure everything was functional with it. Got the paperwork on it. And here is the Ohlins rear shock. It's adjustable, obviously. You can adjust the rebound, compression. Has a reservoir right here. Has the spring. I ordered the spring rated for my weight. And also one of the good things about the Ohlins shock, it has a adjustable preload adjuster on it as well. So now I think the yellow is going to conflict with the colors on my bike. My bike is white and blue, and getting a few other things painted blue as well. Just changing up a few things just to make it mine. So I decided I'm going to get my spring painted. So I'm going to take it to MRP in Pasadena, Maryland. They're going to take the spring off for me, and I'm going to send the spring out to get it painted. And I'm going with Blueberry Illusion like I did with some other parts of my bike. And they say they got a pretty quick turnaround, so I should have it back in about 2 weeks or so, and I'll be placing this on my bike. And we'll see how that goes. So we shall see. Like, share, subscribe. And another thing I got to say is people ride safe out there. It's been a lot of people, a lot of motorcycle accidents, fatalities this year here in the DMV area. Every week, see like 1 or 2 people I'm reading about, and all different kind of bikes, obviously. Just be careful, slow down. If you're new to riding, ride your ride. Don't try to keep up with people. Your skill level will increase as time goes by. Everybody's does. Just ride your ride. Please, just be safe out there. Be safe. Decided to weigh the Ohlins spring and shock. As you can see, it's coming in at 8 pounds, 7 ounces, just for anyone who's interested.